Why do 90% of cat lovers agree that cats rule the internet? Let's find out some perfectly fascinating facts about our feline friends. Cats were domesticated around 9,000 years ago in the Middle East. That's right, these furry companions have been with us for millennia. The largest cat breed is the Maine Coon, which can weigh up to 18 pounds. On the flip side, the smallest breed is the Singapura, tipping the scales at just 4 pounds. Joke break. Why did the cat sit on the computer? To keep an eye on the mouse. There are approximately 71 cat breeds recognized by various cat registries around the world. And for those of you with allergies, the hypoallergenic breeds like the Siberian and Balinese might be your new best friends. So, whether they're big, small, or hypoallergenic, there's a perfect cat for everyone.